Creating a cozy, functional, and stylish space for nursing can make a huge difference in your breastfeeding journey. In today's video, I'll take you through my nursing lounger makeover, before and after, sharing tips on how to design the perfect breastfeeding space. Whether you're a new mom, expecting, or just looking for ways to upgrade your nursing area, you'll find plenty of practical and stylish ideas in this transformation. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video if you love home makeovers. Subscribe for more health, parenting, and lifestyle tips. Drop a comment. What's your must-have item in a nursing space? When I started, my nursing area was uncomfortable seating, poor lighting, and no organization for baby essentials. Does your current nursing setup have any of these challenges? Let me know in the comments. To create a comfortable and efficient space, I focused on a cozy, supportive chair, soft lighting for nighttime nursing, and organized storage for bottles, burp cloths, and more. A rocking chair with extra lumbar support, a soft nursing pillow for comfort, and smart storage solutions to keep everything within reach. Would you try a nursing lounger makeover? Comment below with your favorite part. What do you think of my nursing space transformation? Let's chat in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with fellow parents looking for nursing room ideas. Subscribe for more home and parenting inspiration. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.